Welcome guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M31 and I want to show you how you can manage the camera watermark and this device. So for the first, let's open the camera. Right now we have to tap on the left upper corner to enter the settings of our camera, and right now when we scroll down we can find right here the watermark, and when we activate it we can find at the left corner of our picture the watermark, right? So let's take the picture with watermark. And also let's turn it off and take without it. And as you can see right here, we can even customize it. So take the photo, and right now we can check how it looks. There's the second without, and there's the first with. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.